Hi Learning Coaches, this is Miss Engelman here. Just wanted to kind of briefly walk you through this music course. It's a little bit new this year and a little bit tricky. So from your student's daily plan, it might look a little bit different than this, but you're going to click on the music lesson for that day. I think there's only one a week. I'm not sure, one or two a week. Oh, I'm going to go back to this beginning of this lesson, which is called Spotlight on America. You're going to want to remember this title, okay? Because once we click on the studio right here to take us to this lesson, we need to remember that title, Spotlight on America, and it's lesson 1.2 today. So here I am clicking on the McGraw-Hill website. I just go right to Spotlight on Music. It's always going to take you, when you click on Go to Lesson, you can go to Lesson 2 with this arrow guide over here. Or, say you don't do that, I just click Go to Lesson most of the time, and I go up and make sure it's Grade K, Unit 1, Lesson, whatever lesson you're on, okay? Spotlight on America. Remember I said we had to remember that title? And then work through the prompts and watch the videos and do what it says to do. And when you're all done with that, then you're just going to go exit out of this tab, which will take you right back to the OLS tab that you should still have open. And then you're going to follow the arrow prompts to get to the end of this music lesson and hit submit, okay? Hopefully that helps explain things. I know it's a little bit trickier this year. Let me know if you have any further questions.